Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please, if you are new here or you've not subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button below this video and the notification bell, like the video and share to your friends. What we have today is mixing of color, different ways you can mix your twine color on crochet shoes. Yeah, I'll be starting the first mixing with blue and gold. Yeah, I started with 11 chains, then made 4 rows of single crochet. Then on the last stitch, I will add my gold color, which is this. You pass your crochet hook, grab the twine, yarn over. Don't complete the single crochet, so you make use of your gold. Then you complete the single crochet with your gold. Drop your blue and pick up your gold. You make 1 chain, then you turn. So you continue working single crochet. Now you can see it. You work 4 rows of gold. Yeah, you can see the beautiful mixing. You see it? Yeah, this is one of the designs. You can see it. So check the slides for other designs. Here on the second mixing, I'll be working with these 3 colors, blue, gold and green. Yeah, I started with gold. I worked 11 chains, then make 3 rows of single crochet. At the end, you make 1 chain, then you turn. So you work single crochet on the next 3 stitches. 1, next stitch, 2. On the 3rd stitch, don't complete the single crochet. You yarn over, then you hold on. So we are going to add our green now. So you add your green, then you drop the gold, pick up the green. Then we work 4 half double crochets on the next stitch. Just watch out like this. Then pass your crochet hook, grab the twine and yarn over. Then repeat this thing more 3 times. The second one, 2, the same stitch, 3, the same stitch, 4. That's it. Then you drop your green, then pick up your gold. So you complete the half double crochet with your gold. Yarn over. That's it. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Make it tight. That's it. Then you cut out the green and light it off. Then on the next stitch, you work single crochet, but don't complete that single crochet like this. So you add your blue here. Then you add your blue. Then drop the gold, pick up the blue. So you repeat the same thing we did with this green color on the next stitch. You work 5 half double crochet on the next stitch. The next stitch, 1, on the same stitch, 2, the same stitch, 3, the same stitch, 4. Then you drop your blue, pick up your gold. Then you complete the stitches, yarn over. On the next stitch, single crochet. That's it. Then you complete single crochet on the remaining stitches. On the last stitch, you also work, then you make one chain and turn. That's it. So you work 3 rows of single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. This is one of the designs. I see. So you watch the slides for other designs. Then on the last mixing, I'll be making use of blue and gold. Here we will join the 2 colors together. You mix like this, then you work with it. Yeah, this is what it will look like. I see it, gold and pure blue. So this is one of the design. So this one is white and pure blue. Then these two, this one, just look very closely, you will see pure blue and a sky blue. That's it, pure blue and sky blue. Then check the slides for other designs.